We're asked to factor this trinomial. Tri means 3. Count with me, right? So go.
1, 2, 3.
This is a trinomial. Okay. How do you know if a trinomial is factorable? Well, you can look at their exponents. What is half of 2, class? This one has a 1. So it is possible. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do in quadratic standard form says this. Now it's kind of confusing because the variables I have are a, but you need to find the a, b's, and c's. Class, what's your a value?
1.
There's nothing there, it's a 1. B value? Negative 2. And our C value? Now I'm going to use my X, and I'm going to show you the box as well. Class, what 2 letters go up here? A times C. So you take 1 times negative 35, the answer is? Negative 35. The B value is? Negative 2. Let's say you're stuck. You're not sure what 2 numbers will multiply, so you can write out all of the factors of 35. Now, when you do this, write the bigger number on the left. 35 times 1. Someone give me another pair. 7 times 5. Any others? The reason why I do that is because you can kind of subtract across to help you get a number like this. Class, am I going to use 35 and 1?
No.
We're going to use what number? Okay. Which combination now of positive and negatives? I need a negative 7. If I multiply these two, it equals negative 35, but if I add them, they equal negative 2. Okay? Now, your a value is equal to 1. You can actually stop your answer as a minus 7, a plus 5. But I'm going to show you how to use the box, because the box is actually needed when a is greater than 1. And if you're not sure when to use it, just use the x and the box all the time. Here, I'm going to write negative 7, but I'm going to also add the variable a. And I'm going to have 5a. Basically, what this is it's taking the middle term and you're splitting it into 2 other terms. The negative 7 and the 5 will always go in the bottom left and always in the top right. When, class? When, not where. Always. In the top left of the box, you will always put the first term. And you'll put the C value always in the bottom right. Now you're just pulling out the greatest common factor. Class, what is the greatest common factor in this column? It's an A. How about this direction? Now, if you're not sure if it's a positive or negative, you can also do it the other direction. Greatest common factor?
A.
Because A times A is A squared. Greatest common factor? Negative 7. Right? Look, A times negative 7 equals negative 7A. What do you think the greatest common factor of this will be?
5.
Positive 5. And you can always multiply. A times 5 gives you 5A. 5 times negative 7 gives you negative 35. My factors are going to be x minus 7. It doesn't matter where you write the minus 7. And the other one, plus 5. And this is my answer. Again, I'm very happy, any math teacher would be happy if you can go from the original problem all the way down to here. This is not showing work. When I was in school thousands of years ago, we had no methods of factoring. It was guess and check. We just had to sit there and beat in our heads. And now there's other methods that can help us.